cold. Along the river now. It is immediately horrible.
Oh, I love it right there now.
See you there. That over there is Glenariff mountain, up one side of the U-shaped valley, or glen, that is Glenariff, otherwise known as Queen of the Glens. And in less than 2 hours, myself along with a couple of hundred other lunatics are going to be attempting to race up to the top of that and back down to the sea. So officially this is the Glenariff mountain race, but it's rather euphemistically also referred to as the Spud race, and the reason for that yeah. I'm back down again.
Yep, so there's no...
Get my spuds. And this is why it's called the Spud race, because every person who enters gets a bag of spuds. Some people thought it's because you had to carry these to the top of a mountain. Not true. This was the last race that I did before lockdown hit at the start of the pandemic, so it feels a little bit special to be back running again today. A little warm up on the beach before the race. And the 2 internet people here, Gary and Adventures of a Dog, whose real name is Colin. Why Adventures of a Dog?
I have 2 dogs and they go on all my adventures.
Northern Ireland's answer to Lazarus Lake is coming up. Ballymena runners all feeling ready. Oh. That's right. 4-6. 3, 2, 1. Along the river now. Well, having fun?
Got us. Oh, I see.
So now I've gotten past you.
Now you have to...
I better not see you again, yeah? You just let me by, so you'll be sailing past again at some point on the climb. Leaving the river, I head towards the mountain. How are you? There it is. Straight up. About 75% of it's flat.
There's only one hill, isn't there?
There's only one hill. This is where you immediately regret not pacing yourself a bit more. Fun's one word for it. Woo. Right. It's only a mile up. It is immediately horrible. Well, having fun.
Oh, I'm loving life here now.
You get to this point and feel like you're most of the way up, and then you turn around and look. Don't look up. Lead runners are on the way back down. Last push for the top. Stop, admire the view for 2 seconds, and then plummet off the edge. See you later.
See you in the third lap.
You might be picking me up. Woo! Time to the Glen. Back onto the track. When you get to this bit, you got a choice. You can follow the safety of the track, or you can just plummet off the edge. Ah, my legs are dead. As soon as you hit the bottom, your legs feel like they weigh 1,000 tons. Now it's a flat, fast 2 miles back when your legs are absolutely blattered from coming down that hill. Back onto the lane and the puddles.
Survived.
Well, at the start it was a glad super now. It was really hard coming back along the river.
Yeah, good. It wasn't raining, so it was nice.
After the race, it's tradition, everybody has to go into the sea.
We're going to the sea.
Yeah. Is it cold?
My leg.
Your leg's gone numb. So you're in Newcastle, you're used to bigger mountains, so
That there was shock to the system. Shock to the system.
there you go, Newcastle AC can't hack the Spud Run. You have a bone to pick with me.
You're the reason that I was here today. Your bloody video.
You're wrecked too.
You nearly broke us.
Did the video, which video, last year or 2 years ago?
That was 2 years.
Did it give you a true impression of what the race was like, or
No.
The hell, you were just, as you were going up the hill in that video, you were like, oh, it's a bit steep. And we were walking, I was like, great.
The trick is, I only record when I'm actually running. There we go, Glenariff mountain race, aka the Spud Run, done for 2022. As you can see, absolutely fantastic race. Maybe you can make it next year, but remember, Glenariff's up there, and just over there, that is Lurig, and there's a mountain race up that later in the year where you slide down it. Maybe you could get signed up for that one in time for summer. That's me for this video. I'm freezing, I gotta get out to sea. Share it around, spread the word, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor and subscribe, it really helps. And maybe I'll catch you on the trails. Bye bye.